Okay, so this is my GoPro, and what I've done is I've put up the settings so that as soon as I press the on button, it automatically starts recording. Let's have a look. On, out of my bag or whatever, and immediately you can see the record button is on and it has already started recording. That is a great feature if you're on the go, you know, using public transport, or you're doing different things where you just need to whip it out of your bag and start recording. It could be something's happening right there and then and you want to be on the go. To do that, I will show you how to do that. To stop the recording as well, you just press once and it stops. There you go, saved. So to do that and get it to record, all you need to do is you need to put it on from the side, which then takes you into the main camera. Slide down and click on the rabbit. Done! That means that every time you take out your GoPro and press the on button, it will start recording. Now the thing with that is that, as you've just learned, it will start recording straight away. So if you don't want it to do that, all you have to do is you can still leave it in that rabbit setting, but all you have to do is switch it on from the side, from the power button here, instead of the capture button at the top. Okay, so let's just do a test there. So instead of pressing there where it's going to start recording straight away, if I want to change the settings or something along those lines, then I need to switch it on from here, the mode button. Okay, and you can see it's not recording. And there I can change the settings so that I can make it, you know, whatever frame rate I want, whatever I want to choose, whether I want to do video or whether I want to take pictures. So photos, video. But yeah, that's a good trick. Put it on the rabbit settings so that you're ready to go. Hence, GoPro. Let's put that off.